Shall we do before we go back to school? This has caused me to do this less. Okay, but what shall we do? No. You know? Why do you say no? Oh, you know. I say no. I say no. What? The piranha plant! We're going back to this guy, right? He's annoying. What? Hey! How dare you call the piranha plant and he's annoying? That's it. You are grounded for 1 million. Go to your rooms now. Wow! How dare you call them annoying? That's it. You are grounded for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 years. Go to rooms now. Wow! Wow! Why? I mean, the piranha plant isn't annoying. The only thing annoying is just random somebody who just appeared in my video for some reason. Oh, that has the same voice, which is just me. Oh, I'll do different voices except for this one. Oof. Can you stop with this? Okay, but it's called Misty Dreams, by the way. Mario? I'll make lots of spaghetti. Luigi, get out of here, now. What shall we do? He has completed this game. It's a lullaby. Wow. Good job for doing this in the start. I'm never watching that video again. It's called what? I used to think that Caillou was annoying, but he isn't. All because he did his meltdowns in that one episode? Well, at least I have a conversation about Grace about Caillou, the show. She also mentioned that as well. The Trapped. Yes. It was just last month. Yes. And Caillou's not that bad. And then, the entire grounded videos out of him. Do you know? Do you know who made Caillou Gets Grounded? What year did it came? What year did they first make it? And who was the user who made this series? Oh, that's right. African Vulture. And you probably think 2013. That's the queen of grounded series on Caillou. I like it less now. I like it less. It's too much. It's too much. Caillou. And that's to pronounce. No, you can't pronounce like that. Somebody should just put out his fire. Oh my god. What? I like this music. Oh my god. Hey! Oh my goodness. Seriously? What do you mean turn it off? Oh my. He's reading the errors again. He's reading the errors. It's rules. Oh no. Oh, get rid of them all. Oh, yeah. Oh my god. Turn it off! I like chocolate milk. I like you. No. Remember yesterday? You tried to pronounce cheese from Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends? Of Imaginary Friends. You tried. I think you plugged in your headphones and listened to him for what he sounds like. And that's it. There you go. Oh god. No, that's not it. No! Turn it off! Too much Caillou Gets Grounded. Less people start to like it. He's a good kid. He's a good kid. Why? Why? They're all errors. Oy. Oh my god. What were you doing yesterday? No. Slide from the back. Please, Mimpi. Carefully. And... sorry. Slowly does it. Of course. Of course it's adorable. Oh my god. Of course it is. Oh no. Well, great. He's gone. I'm not smiling about it. No more Other clone who's making fun of mimpi all the time. And being mad at him for some reason. What? Now is butterfly trouble or something like that? Oh, dearie me. It's the dog first. No mice. What? This should be our last. No, this is our last. Princess, jump over that. You already did. Okay, my mistake. Give me this one. Thank you. Holy cheese. It's just the mice. Yes, I told you so. I told you to give me the stage. Yes. Why do I sound like that? What is out of the way? Yes. Oh my God, where are you, Oscar? Oh, you must be hidden or something. From making him be next. Yes, there you are, Oscar. Give it to me. Oh, it's 5 already. Oh, it's 5 already. What the? I can't believe we are suddenly getting to this right now. There he is. Alright, please be careful, princess. No. Why do some fences have to be small? Ah. Oh, Oscar, you're making me want to restart this again. Oh my goodness. You're gonna make me start this over again. No, we aren't. Stop the butterflies. Oh, where am I gonna land at? Oh, this is a good start. No, middle of it. There we are. Another one. Out of all of them. Give me the mice. Yeah. Go again. And continue playing this game long enough. There you are. I see mice. Oh, shucks. Yay! Now let's what? I bet there's a vacuum cleaner over there. I told you so. Ow. But that thing didn't move. Looks like it turned it on. Looks like she turned it on and got scared for it. Poor princess. Ads incoming. Well, actually, there's no ad for now. Shall we continue? Hello, princess. Yay, hello, princess. What are you doing? Going all fast? Every day? 24/7? This will never stop against me, does it? No. Oh, great. Gotta go fast. No, but who's the fastest cat? Its name is Crumb. Really? The fastest way the cookie crumbles? No, it's bread. Really? Is that it? Oh no. Really? His bread? Really? That's a cat who usually wears a bread around his head. That's what I'm talking about. Oh no. Okay, again. Let's scream high pitch. Oh, try, because Darn did that once. Oh, multiple times. Oh, God. Oh, he did it like 2 times or 3 times. That was funny. Oh, my goodness. Go, princess, go. Oh, my God. Scream, high pitch. Please. Ah, forget about it. Oops. Oh my God, this happens all the time. Oh my God. High pitch. Scream high pitch. Don't stop and give up. Keep doing it. Move, Snail. That's what happened. Okay, wow. You tried, princess? Oh, don't worry. We'll be doing this again later to stream. You're out of 1 turn. Just go and sleep. Oh, dear Lord. Oh, I moved an air circle. I thought it crashed. Oh, look what I did now. Well, Vomino, I'm out of here. Oh, like we played this like 100 times. Oh, when is the first time you did this? Why get it from the Play Store? It was probably recommended, that's why, and it looks interesting. Excuse you, but why? Why is that? Why do we get there? Nice for the princess to... Wait. Put in the whole sentence, please. Nice. Oh my goodness. No. Nice for the princess to invite us over our picnic, egg Luigi. Lots of spaghetti. Luigi, look. What do you mean? Not a present. This game's incredibly fast. Nice for the princess to invite us over our picnic, egg Luigi. She made lots of spaghetti. Luigi, look. It's from Bowser. Dear pesky plumbers. No. Nice for the princess to... No. No. What? I interrupted it, that's why. No. I invited it. I mean, what? I invited him over to picnic. For you, Mario and Luigi? Mario and Luigi? Yes. Why don't you come and sit down at picnic? I want lots of spaghetti. Luigi, patience, please. What? What? Nice for the princess to invite us over our picnic. No, but this is a princess. Molly's my princess. Oh. Gosh, she's the only princess. Oh, please. Oh, stand up, stand up. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, my goodness. Oh, I'll do it again. Oh, she did it again. What else do you want to complete? Egg Luigi, egg Luigi, egg Luigi, egg Luigi, egg Luigi, egg Luigi, egg Luigi. Excuse me! It's Luigi. Egg Luigi, egg Luigi. Aim Luigi, egg Luigi. Day Luigi. What? Excuse me, stop repeating this. Yes, it's 10 hours of egg Luigi. Why? It sounds like Mario saying, hey Luigi. Hey Luigi, hey Luigi, hey Luigi, hey Luigi, hey Luigi. How long will this go on forever? It's been an hour since, too much of this. Hey Luigi, 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 hey Luigi. Aim Luigi, egg Luigi, egg Luigi. 10 hours? That's too much. What if you put this on for the whole day? Within 10 hours. That's too much. Or if you just put this on like 1 o'clock until 12. In the middle of the night. Why? That will be repetitive. It'll be annoying. And it'll be 10 hours. It'll be 10 hours exact. And it's too much. I mean, really. I did not want to do that. Hey, Luigi. Looks like Luigi's getting annoyed by Mario right now. Hey, Luigi. 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 What?